The life cycle of a plant from seed to fully grown plant. Introduction to the plant life cycle. Welcome to the fascinating world of plant life cycles. Let's explore how a tiny seed transforms into a fully grown plant. Seed stage. It all begins with a seed. Seeds are like tiny packages containing everything a plant needs to start its journey. Flowering. With the right conditions, the seed germinates. This is when the seed absorbs water, swells, and a small sprout emerges. As the sprout grows, it develops roots that dig deep into the soil to find nutrients and water. Above ground, leaves begin to form, capturing sunlight for photosynthesis. With time, the plant matures and produces flowers. Flowers are crucial for the next stage of the plant's life cycle, pollination and seed production. Pollination occurs when pollinators, like bees, transfer pollen from one flower to another, leading to the production of seeds. These seeds are the next generation of plants. Recap and importance of plants. From a tiny seed to a fully grown plant, the life cycle is an incredible journey. Plants are essential for life on Earth, providing oxygen, food, and habitats. Let's appreciate and protect them. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the plant life cycle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to explore and discover for more amazing content. Share your favorite plant facts in the comments and follow us for more incredible educational videos.